brush tool. So the shortcut for the brush tool is B as mentioned here. So either you can select the brush from by clicking here, or you can simply press B like this. You can select brush from anywhere. So simply, what is the brush? The brush color is the foreground color always. Okay. So if you want a color with your brush, you can just change the foreground color, and the color will appear on the canvas. Okay. So this is the brush tool, and here are the properties of brush. The size of the brush, okay, you can vary it like this. The hardness means the pressure you're exerting on the brush. Okay, in like if you're painting, so how much pressure you put on the canvas or on the brush, that is the hardness. Okay, so I'll keep it full for now. And this is the orientation of your brush. Okay, like if I do this, then you will realize the difference. Okay, so it is at certain angle. Okay, it is not circular, so you can also adjust that. And here are some brushes which are by default available in Photoshop. These are general brushes, dry media brushes, and wet media, and there are different presets. Okay, what are these? Let us explore them. This is a soft brush. How does it paint? Like this. Okay, and this is a hard round brush. It paints like this. Okay, there are minor differences. Okay, this is more soft than this. It will paint like this. Okay, you can try them as per your requirement. So these are the general brushes. Dry media brushes, these are somewhat textured. Okay, you see like this, it they paint like this. And similarly, wet media brushes and special effects brushes. So to consider these, you just need to explore them by yourself. And this is, by the way, I downloaded it for myself. You can also download your custom brushes from Google or any other source. Okay, and then they will appear here. Okay, so here are the types of brushes. Now I'll select a hard round brush. These are the recent brushes you have used. So I'll take this one. And okay, from the keyboard, the square brackets are the shortcut for increase in size and decrease in size of the brush. Okay, the left square bracket will decrease the size, and the right square bracket will increase the size of your brush. And these brackets are on the keyboard. You can locate them with the right of P button. Okay, on the right of P button there are two buttons which are the square brackets. They also have curly brackets when while holding shifts. So I think you have located them on your keyboard. They will increase and decrease the size of your brush. Okay, so here is the opacity of brush, and here is the flow of brush. So again, there's not much difference, but you can sense the difference. uh, let's say we decrease the opacity to 20%. Okay, now I'm brushing, but the color is very fade, and opacity means the quantity of paint you're putting in. Okay, and if I keep this full and decrease the flow, okay, now you see the opacity, the paint amount will be 100, but the hardness or the pressure is very low. Okay, the pressure of the brushing is very low. So it is the difference between flow and opacity. Okay, so to get a very soft brush, you can adjust both of them to get your desired result, like this or this, anything. Okay, so this is the smoothing effect. Okay, how much smooth you want your brushing to be. It really concerns the corners or edges. Okay, if I keep this smoothing very zero, now if I'll paint, I'll decrease the size. Now if I'll paint, you will see it's very different than this one. This is very smooth. It runs in like very smooth pattern, but this is very textured, and it has long lines and it is very pixelated. So this is a smoothing effect. You can adjust it according to your need, what you are according to what you're designing and that thing. So this was the brush tool. Hope you understand that. Thank you.